Okay, wait. Hi everyone, welcome to a video. And it's so late night. Okay, this is not good. So anyways, I'm gonna be posting a thing. Like some emotional thing. But in this video, I'm gonna do like, let's see my dogs, our dogs. Because I just got a drink just for like, when I get like thirsty and I need something with flavor, I can just drink with this. So we have dog number one. This is from my past one. Hi Alden. Okay, the light is literally, wait guys. Okay, literally turn off the light, but it's super dark. But it's okay. It's a bad quality, but it's okay. So, oh my god. Alden! Shh, shh, shh. Oh, Jordan just come in. Jordan is his father and Alden is his son. Alden! Shh, shh. Hey, got dogs. So this is so cool. This is so cute. Even Alden too. Of Jordan, we have Alden. Alden has been from my side for like a lot of years. Now there's literally everywhere. Okay, turn on the lights again because you can see them, guys. This is Jordan and this is Alden. Hello. Shh, shh, shh. Alden, Jordan. Oh, Jordan. I'm not mistaken at their like names, but Jordan just literally come in wherever I go. Jordan, Alden. When I go like down, he just literally go. Because these dogs, like when I go like this, they just go inside it, and it's not. It's super cool for them, but not cool for us. But it's okay. Then we have the final dog, which is super quiet, super neat. We have Say over here. I say, if there is lights, you can see that like their eyes are like greeny thing, but without lights, it's like no green, just like literally brown.